And again, both versions, you can have a saved group. We highly recommend you use them so that you can target your campaigns and your broadcast emails more effectively. And add them to your dashboard if it's a group that you're going to be using a lot. Questions or thoughts on that? Am I making sense today? Yeah. Perfect, perfect. All right, so now we're gonna kind of dive in deeper about why we were making those groups, right? Because over here in our handy dandy automations, right? We want to be able to retarget these folks. And so again, we would be able to add a continued nurture, create an upsell, right? In our testimonials and surveys, how that might look. I'm going to just use this one. Let's say we were using a survey, right? And they gave us a good one. Right? We're going to send them a thank you. We're going to ask them or ask them to post their good review on Google or Facebook or something. We're going to ask them for a referral. And then we were talking about this. We would apply a tag. That would be a tag that could then trigger them into a re-engagement offer. Right? Maybe that's monthly. Maybe you've got a little longer delivery time frame, and that's quarterly or annually. That's okay. Right? But we can utilize that. And in the meantime, we can find them because we know they're in our group. I see some wheels turning over there, Sandy. What's your thought on that? Oh, you're on mute.
The just kind of thinking like, oh my goodness, like there's so many times that I wish it would have been automated, because I know people were like, they just come back. And so this would have been like, this is going to save me a lot of time, basically.
I'm so glad to hear that. That's kind of the point of Keap software, right?